got a separate pedal for reverse now.
Yeah. There's no gear shift. There's the ignition timing here on this side.
A lot more complicated, eh?
Well, it's not
Trying
bad.
to figure it out.
It's easy once you learn it.
Is this yours?
Yep. 10-gallon gas tank under the seat.
Okay. How long have you had this?
A couple years. 3-4 years.
This is your first one, or
First T. I had some other cars in the 50s and 30s.
Okay.
And I have a 29 Molly Roadster.
My dad's got a pole barn full of old cars. The oldest is 36.
Where's that at?
But we live in Clinton Township.
Is that where you live?
No, I live in Warren.
How'd you hear about the event today?
I've been coming here, I think, since it opened.
Oh, okay.
So, he's a car guy. I'm like a history guy. I don't know as much about car. He can tell you what every date, every year,
What's his most special car you got? He's got you there.
I think he's probably good at 64 Catalina just because it's his newest one, you know. So he had just gotten rid of. He had a 51, he got rid of that. He had a 51 Ford, he got rid of that. Got rid of his Jag. And he had,
I had a 51 Ford. I'd get rid of it too.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's off. I have a 56 Ford.
It was kind of a project car. He was working on it, and then he kind of just got to the age where he didn't really want to have to work on anything.